Hi everyone, welcome back to HS Academy. Today we are going to learn how to use so and such in grammar sentences. Alright, let's look at the example of first structure. The restaurant was great. The food was so delicious. What's the meaning of so in this case? The word in red color so makes the meaning stronger. The food wasn't just delicious, it was very delicious. Let's move on to the meaning of such. Let's look at a very similar example sentence so you can compare. The restaurant was great. They served such delicious food. What does such mean? The word in red color such makes the meaning stronger, just like so. The food wasn't just delicious, it was very delicious. There we have so and such. The meaning of these two words is the same. They just make the following words stronger. So what's the difference? The difference is in the structure, how we use the words in the sentence, which we will go over in just 1 minute. But let's go back to the meaning. The meaning of so and such make words stronger. So instead of just saying, the weather today is beautiful, I can make this meaning stronger. I can say, the weather today is so beautiful. Can you feel the difference? Don't just say, the weather is so beautiful, in a flat tone. Emphasize the word. The weather is so beautiful. This gives the meaning so much more strength and it gives it more passion and feeling. The same with such. If I have a really delicious meal at a restaurant, I could say, that was a delicious meal. But if I want to show passion and give more emphasis to the meal, I can say, that was such a delicious meal. Notice the pronunciation again. Make it stronger, give it more emphasis and passion. Now let's look at the structure. This is the important difference between so and such. First of all, let's look at so. The structure for so is so plus an adjective or an adverb. The first example sentence shows an adjective. Ali is so slow at driving. We're not saying Ali is just slow, he is so slow at driving. The second example shows an adverb. Ali drives so slowly. So that's the structure for so. Now let's look at such. Such actually has two structures. Here's the first, such, plus an adjective, plus a noun. This is one of the big differences between so and such. It's a very different structure. Look at this example. It's similar to the one we just looked at. Ali is such a slow driver. Can you see the structure? I've used such, plus the adjective, slow. But in this case we have to use a noun as well. So the noun I used is driver. Ali is such a slow driver. And the second structure for such is simply such plus a noun. For example, Einstein was such a genius. So here we have such plus the noun, genius. I hope you understand the meaning much better now. The meaning between so and such is actually the same, the difference is in the structure. So let's look at the things that we have to note for so and such. Actually there is just one thing we're going to focus on, one thing that we have to note, but it's very important because it can expand your sentences to make them longer, and more interesting and descriptive. So let's look at the thing we need to note. We often use so and such with that to express how we feel or what we are going to do. So look at the examples. Number 1, the weather is so beautiful, that I'm going to have a picnic. In this example, I used that to say what I'm going to do. Because the weather is so beautiful, I'm going to have a picnic. So that extends the sentence. Look at this second example. It's such a rainy day that I'm going to stay inside. Again, I used that to extend the sentence. I explained what I'm going to do because it's such a rainy day. It's such a rainy day that I'm going to stay inside. Now it's time to see the practice sentences to master so and such structure. What have you got in this bag? It's so heavy I can't lift it. I haven't eaten since breakfast. I'm so hungry. Shakespeare was such a masterful writer that his work is still studied and celebrated today. Hi Ali, I'm so sorry, but I'm going to be late. There is such a lot of traffic on the roads today. Your English is so fluent now. How did you improve so rapidly? The neighbors are driving me crazy. Their music is so loud the walls are starting to shake. The iPhone was such an amazing invention. It really changed the world. It only took us 10 minutes to get to your house. I didn't realize you lived so close to us. Oh my God, it's so late. Let's go home now. The movie was so boring I fell asleep halfway through. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, comment, like, share and do not forget to subscribe our channel.